Got all kinds of apple trees here, my friends, and I want to show you. I got the grapevine right here. I got this tree here I want to talk about. Now I've got other pollinators. I got that tree right there in a container, and this one I can put. This is a columnar. I can put that one in a container like this, and I got another one on the other side here. So I got three trees. Those columnars will pollinate this one. And I want to talk about this tree right here. This is a pink lady. And you don't want to plant this one in a container. This is like a dwarf apple tree. It gets the real nice, beautiful pink lady apples on them. And I have this one in the ground. You don't want to plant this one in a container. This one you want to be like the smaller tree. Think of like a dwarf tree, maybe about 10 foot tall, 15 foot tall, something like that. So it's already halfway there. Now I have it in the ground. I have this cage around it because I'm going to tell you, like, when you're growing these, especially you have squirrels or birds. I had one where a squirrel chewed it, and I don't want to happen with this. So I have the whole ground up to about, about 2.5 feet or so, where it's protected. It's protected with this cage I have. I just took a piece of metal and tied it off with zip ties, and I have a piece of pipe, like a plastic pipe you'd use, for water or irrigation, for that. And this is year 3. Already getting some green on it here, and it's coming out pretty good. So if you want to grow these, okay, I'm going to tell you a great way to do it. I'm going to give you the link to it. You can go on, you can buy it. It's not from a big company. It's from a small seller, small greenhouse I've bought from in the past, where I bought this one from. You're not buying a tree like you go up to Lowe's and you wonder if it's going to live. This one, it comes from a greenhouse that I believe in and have bought from. I also deal with Stark Brothers, but this here, for this reason, I'm telling you, like, this is my success in it with the tree I bought. Year 3, it's in bud already. I'll post the link down in the description if you want to buy one. They have other trees too, other types of apples, other types of plants. I like buying from a small-time grower. I'm buying into their company. I am purchasing into something I believe in. I'm putting it out for those people in the small areas, and not going out of my way to make a lot of money off of me because they want to have these trees. Like, you go to Lowe's, they have these trees sitting out, and what they don't sell, it goes in a dumpster. It's like with the planters. They'll sell what they can on clearance, it goes in the dumpster. I don't like that. I want to buy from a company that grows them, that ships them out. They're bare root, and I know when I put it in the ground, it's not locked in some bucket, This is a nice way to do it. When I do grow the columnar ones, I grow them in a larger planter. Gives me a little bit more room. So there you go.